Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your profile right here. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead over to settings and privacy. And then in here, go ahead and tap on content preferences and tap on refresh your For You feed. Okay, tap on start, wait for it. Select the reason right here, tap on submit. And once that's done, go to your feed. And after that, check it out. The only best possible thing that you can do here is just by go to your settings again, tap on the three horizontal lines. As by default, TikTok right here won't let us delete the you may like suggestions, okay? It's part of the app. So again, just go ahead over to settings and privacy and find Activity Center, tap on it, go to search history, and delete everything that is in here. Okay. Now go back, go back once more, notifications. Now, if you have enabled push notifications right here, just for example, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and find, okay, post from people you may know, disable it. Reposted by others, disable it. Post you may like, disable it. Okay. At least you'll have fewer you may like suggestions. And that is it. Again, as part of the app, you won't be able to remove the you may like suggestions section. And by doing these steps, at least it can significantly reduce or change or even remove the unwanted suggestions. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.